Oh bloody hell, it's a bit of thundery day today. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but that's that substation sparking. So not sure if you can hear it. Can't at the moment because of the traffic, but that's sparking because I can hear it because obviously that chucked it down a little while ago. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear it. I'm not sure if my camera's picking it up, but I can hear it. Sparking on them resistors there. Look. Obviously, I don't want to stand there because that's a bit close. So, because I don't know if that's going to jump out on me. But yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but that's going.